to have a signal here. Okay, flat trees. Nice, I love it. I gotta show the location to you guys. Mt.Rainier, freight campground. And time to go to sleep. It's pretty bright. I'm really thinking about what should I wear for tomorrow hiking. I just have a lot of things need to prepare and keep my room warm since it's super cold outside. That's my diving gear from Canada. I still need to dry off. It's 32 degrees outside. It's not bad. Doing nothing tonight. Just wash my face, go to sleep, and get up early tomorrow morning and go hiking and take some pictures and maybe. But definitely I want to try realistic. Little. That's Bluetooth spelling. That's pretty cool. See. And it could be like 68 feet long. And I take a picture myself. Okay, time for enjoy my night. I like incense. I feel it's very helpful for me, relaxing and enjoy my time and forget all the pressure. So with the smelling, make me comfortable, cozy, and calm, and peace. Good night. And good morning. Good morning. So ugly. Sorry. Guys, I feel you. It looks so boring. I even feel boring when I'm watching it. So I think make something different. Yay! That's morning energy. Okay, this is the most part I don't like. Folding the bed. Even though I have to do it. Make it feel better. Wow. It's beautiful outside. Yay! Go hiking! Coffee first. The best campsite I have ever seen before because it's free. My plan was go to the 10 miles hiking today, but I was way too lazy and I'm going to do the 3 miles hiking. Just want to see what the mountain looks like. Cute. Okay, it's time to see what's going on outside. Trash can. Trash can. Why there's no trash can? I wonder there is no trash picked up. Since my trash are all paper and this is a campsite, so I can bring them. It's cold, but it's not cold. I feel better. Cool air. So this camping site allowed to stay 7 days. You guys are available to come anytime. I think it's for come first. Take the spot. It's wonderful. See, this is my spot I found last night. Beautiful. Fire!
Ooh, that's so warm. I wonder what I was thinking, but maybe meditation? Shut up.
小蘑菇真呀真可爱 That's so cute Little mushrooms Whoa, that smoke I made That's beautiful He kept here. That's cool. Wow. Mt.Rainier, I'm coming!
Don't forget to subscribe me and more adventure is coming.